Have you ever wondered about the company behind those iconic, "You're going to like the way you look, I guarantee it" commercials? Or perhaps you've needed a sharp suit for a wedding, a job interview, or a special occasion, and found yourself stepping into a familiar storefront. Well, chances are you've encountered a brand under the umbrella of Tailored Brands. But what exactly is Tailored Brands, and what are they truly known for? It's more than just suits and ties. Tailored Brands is a leading omnichannel specialty retailer that's been shaping the way men, and increasingly, women, dress for their most important moments for decades. Their story is one of strategic acquisitions, evolving customer needs, and a persistent focus on making people feel confident in their attire. Let's rewind a bit. The origins of what we now know as Tailored Brands trace back to 1973, with the founding of Men's Warehouse by George Zimmer in Houston, Texas. Zimmer's vision was simple yet revolutionary: provide high-quality men's suits at affordable prices, coupled with personalized service and expert tailoring. This was a direct contrast to the stuffy, intimidating atmosphere often associated with traditional menswear stores. Men's Warehouse quickly gained a reputation for its approachable sales philosophy and, of course, Zimmer's memorable "I guarantee it" slogan, which became a cultural touchstone. The company's focus on customer service and value resonated deeply, leading to rapid expansion throughout the 1980s and 90s. As Men's Warehouse grew, it began to strategically acquire other prominent names in the menswear landscape. One of the most significant acquisitions came in 2014, when they purchased Joss A. Bank, another long-standing menswear retailer known for its classic styles and frequent promotions. This move was a game-changer, solidifying their position as a dominant force in the industry. Other key additions included Moore's Clothing for Men in Canada and K&G Fashion Superstore, which caters to a more value-oriented customer with merchandise for the entire family. These acquisitions were not just about expanding market share. They were about diversifying their offerings and reaching a broader spectrum of consumers with different styles, budgets, and needs. So, what are Tailored Brands primarily known for today? Firstly, and perhaps most prominently, they are known as the go-to destination for men's tailored clothing. Whether it's a classic business suit, a sharp tuxedo for a formal event, or a stylish sport coat for a smart casual look, Tailored Brands' portfolio of companies covers it all. Men's Warehouse, with its emphasis on a broad selection and accessible pricing, remains a staple for many. Joss A. Bank offers a more traditional and refined aesthetic, often appealing to those seeking timeless pieces. And for those looking for great value on a wide range of apparel, K&G provides an attractive option. Secondly, Tailored Brands is renowned for its tuxedo and suit rental services. This is a massive part of their business, especially for special occasions like weddings, proms, and black tie events. They've made formal wear rental convenient and accessible, offering a wide array of styles, sizes, and accessories to ensure everyone looks their best without the commitment of a full purchase. This rental model has been a consistent revenue driver and a key differentiator in the market. Thirdly, they are known for their emphasis on personalization and fit. This goes back to George Zimmer's original vision. Tailored Brands understands that a well-fitting garment can transform how someone looks and feels. They offer expert tailoring services in-store, ensuring that every suit, pair of trousers, or shirt is adjusted to perfection. Beyond alterations, they've also invested in custom clothing services, allowing customers to create personalized suits and shirts tailored to their exact measurements and style preferences. This commitment to fit and customization sets them apart from fast fashion retailers and online-only competitors. Fourthly, Tailored Brands has built a reputation for its omni-channel retail experience. In an increasingly digital world, they've successfully integrated their physical stores with robust e-commerce platforms. This means customers can browse and shop online, pick up in-store, schedule alterations, and even utilize virtual styling consultations. This seamless blend of online and offline channels provides maximum convenience and flexibility for their diverse customer base. Beyond the products themselves, Tailored Brands is also known for its customer-centric approach. They've consistently emphasized personalized service, aiming to help customers not just buy clothes, but to love the way they look and feel. This ethos is reflected in their well-trained sales associates who offer styling advice, guide customers through the fitting process, and ensure a positive shopping experience. While menswear remains their core focus, it's worth noting that Tailored Brands has also made strides in offering apparel for the entire family through KNG Fashion Superstore, and has expanded some offerings into women's clothing, acknowledging the growing demand for tailored options beyond the traditional menswear categories. In essence, Tailored Brands has carved out a significant niche by being more than just a clothing retailer. They are a service provider, a style consultant, and a trusted partner for life's significant moments. From the nervous groom to the graduating student, the aspiring professional to the seasoned executive, Tailored Brands aims to provide the perfect fit, not just in clothing, but in confidence. Their success stems from understanding that clothing isn't just fabric. It's an expression of self, and a well-chosen outfit can truly make a difference. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.